Welcome to our St. Charles display gardens. We're continuing our Midwest Garden Pro series with another perennial combination, this time from our modern Midwest matrix garden, using some of our favorite sunlovers. First, we have Allium Millenium, a customer favorite and the 2018 Perennial Plant of the Year. This allium has shiny, deep green, strappy foliage and rose-purple, globe-shaped flowers that reach about 18 inches tall. Millennium seed heads hold their round shape after blooming and have a darker purple color than Summer Beauty. It's also drought tolerant and deer and rabbit resistant. Next, we have Sporobolus airoides, a personal favorite of Nikki Moline, our sales operations manager. It's a robust warm season bunch grass that is native to the western US and has great drought and salt tolerance. It has lacy seed heads that create a pink haze above the foliage, providing texture and visual interest from early summer into fall. Our third component is Calamintha nepeta subspecies nepeta. This mounding perennial is covered in small white flowers from midsummer through frost. Flowers become lavender as the nighttime temperatures decrease. It tolerates both dry and moist soils and is very attractive to pollinators. Forming a tidy 18 to 24-inch mound, its adaptability to either dry or moist soils makes it a great filler option for any sun garden. We love this combination of low-maintenance perennials that can beat the heat and survive in the sun. Give this combo a try in one of your sunny spots.